In this sheet, we'll calculate the impact of working capital. This is necessary because we must consider the fact that the two plants will probably require a different amount of working capital invested. That's something your operations team firmly believes, and you are confident they are right. We are not considering DSO, Days Sales Outstanding, because we are purely comparing the working capital needs of the two production plants, assuming everything that happens when cars are delivered for sale remains the same, hence no change of financials occurs. The operations team indicated the Italian plant has negative working capital, 25 days of DIO and 30 days of DPO. They also made a projection regarding possible DIO and DPO values in Vietnam. We use the choose function to model the case we are in. Perfect. Why do we have higher DIO and DPO figures in Vietnam? Well, that's the operations team's call. However, it is reasonable to expect to have less favorable payment terms when working with new suppliers and moving to a new location, and to have a longer storage period when moving production thousands of kilometers away from the place where it is actually sold. Great. The table you see here allows us to calculate the extra working capital needed by the new plant. In the first row, we have production value of the cars produced in Vietnam. Then, we've calculated delta net trading capital in terms of days difference. The net trading cycle of the Vietnamese plant minus the net trading cycle of the Italian plant. Dividing production value by the delta net trading cycle expressed in days would give us the working capital we have to invest if production moves to Vietnam. See what we did here? We calculated the difference between the net trading cycles of the two plants and then obtained the working capital necessary for the new plant. We had to calculate delta working capital to see the actual cash investment necessary each year. This will be important when calculating cash flows.